This video is about how to partially withdraw your FD amount in Canara Bank fixed deposits. To do that, first log into your Canara Bank retail website. Here you can see the URL online.canarabank.in. Here enter your user ID, password and CAPTCHA and click on login. Once you log in, the home page will look like this. Now click on deposits. In deposits, you can see term deposits on left sidebar. Now click on term deposits. Here you can see an option called partial redeem term deposit. If you want to withdraw a portion of your FD amount, click on partial redeem term deposit option. Or if you want to close your fixed deposit, that means term deposit completely, then select close term deposit. Now I want to withdraw a portion of the fixed deposit amount, so I am clicking on partial redeem term deposit option. Here you will find all your fixed deposit account details. Now select from which FD account you want to partially withdraw the FD amount. I am selecting this second account number. Now you will see all the details of that particular fixed deposit account, like account details, deposit details, like when you have started this FD and the maturity date, etc. And here you can also see the maximum redeemable amount. It is, I have 4 lakhs in this account, so it is showing 3,60,000 rupees. That means up to this amount I can partially withdraw the FD amount, and the rate of interest is 5.75. Remember that whenever you close your FD or whenever you partially close your FD, there is a penalty of 1%. That means 1% less interest you will get on the amount. While calculating the payment, you will get 1% less interest amount. So remember this. My FD ran for 31 months and 1 day. So according to this period, the net interest I will get by the time of withdrawing the FD amount is 4.45%, and remaining balance amount will get the actual 5.75% FD interest rate. This is the FD interest rate that was given at the time of opening the FD. So remember this. Now under closer you can select either amount option or percentage option. I am selecting the amount option. I want to withdraw 2 lakhs, so I am entering 2 lakhs. Or if you want to select the percentage, you can enter the percentage like 30%, 40% or 50%, like that. I am entering the amount. After entering the amount, select account transfer option. Here you can see transfer to users mapped accounts. Now select the account to which you want to credit this amount. It is the default your bank savings account. Now select this. After entering these details, click on continue. Here you will see a caution pop-up message. Here you can see applicable penal interest will be applied for premature closure. Please confirm by clicking OK. This we have already discussed. By withdrawing the FD amount prematurely, we will get 1% less interest compared to our actual FD interest rate. And there is also another message. If you are closing your deposit before maturity for short-term urgent needs, you can avail loan against your deposit instantly on our online channels. If you want to take any loan, you can also take that, but I do not want to take loan at this time, so I am selecting OK. Here you will see all the details again. Now click on confirm. Now you need to enter the transaction password which you have set in your internet banking. After entering the transaction password, click on submit. See, I didn't get any confirmation here, but the amount was actually credited to my account. I got a message that an amount of INR 2,21,000 has been credited to your account. The 21,000 rupees is the interest amount. I hope you like this video. Still, if you have any doubts, ask them in below comment section. For more videos like this, please share and subscribe to Raj Tech India.